today's video, we're going to be looking at more transversal diagrams and dissecting them and using what we know about angle measures and relationships of angles and figuring out and completing these diagrams and all the angles in this diagram. So it says, given that M is parallel to N, so line M is parallel to N, K and L are transversals, and two angles, find all the missing angles. So we're going to find all the missing angles in this diagram. So I usually start off with the vertical angles. All right. So if I see this 35 here, okay, that means I also know this is 35 degrees. All right. Same thing here. If this is 90 to 3, then this is going to be 93 degrees. So I always start with the vertical angles first. Okay, then I look for any supplementary angles. All right, so 35 here, right? So that means this angle right here, where we at, is going to be, we know a straight line is 180 degrees, so 180 minus 35, 180, 5 is 145. So this is 145. That means this is going to be 145 as well. It's vertical to that. Okay. And then also take a look here. I have corresponding angles here and down here, right? Since these two lines are parallel, if I just shift this, can I do that? Yeah, boom, all the way down there, right? That's going to be 145 degrees. So this is going to be 145. And then this is also, since it's vertical, it's going to be 145. All right, same thing with the 35-degree angle, right? If I shift this down, boom, it's going to be 35 degrees. So 35 degrees here, 35 degrees here. All right, what else can I figure out? This is 93, right? Let me do these. All right, we have a straight line. Okay, straight line here, right? 180 minus 93 is 87. But I just want to show you 93 is 87. So that means these angles are both going to be 87 degrees. Okay, you could double check by putting all these angle measures in your calculator and see if they add up to 360. All four of these should add up to 360 in these diagrams. All right, running out of colors here. Let's go purple. Okay, now notice I have a triangle here. Look at that. I have a triangle. So we know there's 180 degrees in the triangle. So I'm going to do 180 minus 93 minus 35. 180 minus 93 minus 35. And that is 52 degrees. Look at that. So this is going to be, I'll do this one. This angle is going to be 52 degrees. That means this is also going to be 52 degrees. All right. And then I have corresponding angles, right? If I shift this down here, corresponding angles, let's see there, this one right here. Shift this all the way down to the transversal, right? Start here, go all the way down to the transversal. So that's going to be 52. All right. So this is going to be 52 degrees. This is going to be 52 degrees. And okay, we have a straight line. Go back to, we'll go to this blue. Okay, we'll go here, right? We want to figure out what this is, right? That is going to be 180 minus 52. 128. 128. That means this is 128. Okay, same thing if I shifted them down here. 128 and 128. So filling out these diagrams, my 8s look ugly. There we go. Okay, so filling out these diagrams is you have to use what you know about angle relationships. I always start off with the vertical angles, right? Then you look for any supplementary angles, two angles that make a straight line, linear pair, add up to 180. A triangle has 180 degrees, right? And so you can figure that out. And I have this beautiful color-coded diagram with all these different angle measures. And to double check your answers at the end, make sure they all add up to 360. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and always remember, whether you're solving for X or Y, always give math a try.